Attention fine hair girlies. Are you looking for a curling iron that won't damage your hair? This is the Bio Ionic Curling Iron 1 inch and it is the long barrel. Now you might be thinking, why did you get the 1 inch if you have long hair? Well, stick around because I will show you exactly how I curl my hair and what it looks like in the end. But let's talk about the specs and features of this curling iron and why I believe this is the perfect one for fine hair. It has a ceramic mineral complex, swivel cord, adjustable heat, cord length is 9 feet, warranty for 1 year, extended barrel, and at the end of the curling iron, a place for you to grab. So if you can see in this footage right here, I can grab from the back and twist without having to worry about it burning my finger. But what sets this apart from all others is the Nano Ionic MX. This technology micronizes water molecules, which allows it to penetrate the hair, which leaves it moisturized and conditioned, which helps the frizz stay down and my curls to last longer. I am a busy mom. I can barely curl my hair at least once a week. So having a curling iron that makes my hair look beautiful while at the same time holding that for multiple days is a win in my book, which is also giving my hair a break from the heat, allowing it to get healthier and grow. And look, even with long hair, this 1 inch barrel works perfectly, providing that beach wave look I love to have.